Brad, I just wanted to ask you where you thought AI was going to take Action Coach.
Yeah, AI is really interesting in the world of business right now, and it's going to be massive benefit to us because we're live and local. The problem with AI is trust is going through the floor right now. So you don't believe you're with someone anymore unless you're actually face to face. I could have a call with you, Linda, and I'm not actually there. The whole Zoom call could be fake right now. Okay. So when I create a video, when I do everything, people are looking at, is this real? Is this fake? And we're at a point where now most people can't tell whether it's real or fake. Okay. And so coming back live and local, sales will go back to face again. We'll start seeing more of that. And the great thing about Action Coach is we are live and local. See, the challenge with training in particular is that digital training doesn't work. People to do self-paced, self-generated training. If that worked, kids would go to school without teachers. If that worked, everyone who signed up for Babbel to learn a new language would have actually learnt the new language. If that worked, people who bought a book would get past chapter 1. And as we know, the majority of people don't. So all of our training is facilitated. All of our training has half hour of learning, 1 hour of facilitation. And that gives you an idea just how much I believe that the live part of it is more important than the learning part of it. The learning can be done at speed. It's like coming here. You have approximately 200 hours of training before you even come here to do this training. And this turns it into reality. So AI will speed up our business in a massive way from that perspective.